the main goal of continuing education is reskill and upskill. So all of our industrial classes fall in one of those two categories. For people that are brand new to the industry, we have introductory classes for things like welding, instrumentation, millwright, HVAC, building maintenance. Or for people that are already more established in the industry and they just want to move up, we have additional certifications. And then we have some very niche courses like our line worker preparation program, our pipeline. We're always looking to expand more to meet with the different needs of our community. We're very much on the pulse as far as what technology and what skills are going to be needed to jump into the field. Our employers know what they're getting out of a Del Mar student, and they know that that's a quality, high-trained individual. And for that reason, they continue supporting our programs and working with our students.
We offer a variety of healthcare programs that will help the students build a foundation to the credit side and completing a degree. Most of our students are looking at being accepted into the registered nurse program here at Del Mar College, sonography program, physical therapy program, and so this really gives them a good foundation so that they can build upon when they go into their field of study. So these programs can take anywhere from 6 to 12 weeks. They're extremely quick and fast to get individuals re-skilled and into the workforce. A lot of students use this as a part-time job while they are pursuing a degree, so that way they're getting those patient hands-on skills, that patient contact hours, and also just learning their field.
And we have many different classes in the construction trades. For example, we have carpentry classes, we have classes on trim and stairs, we have classes on cabinetry, we also have classes in plumbing, and we also have classes in electrical and house wiring. So we have a whole slew of classes in all different kinds of fields, and if you're interested in the construction trades, these are the type of classes you want to take. A lot of construction classes, they'll show you a PowerPoint of a hammer. Well, we don't do that. We put the hammer in your hand and you actually get to build things. So this is a very hands-on course, and the purpose for this course is twofold. It's to get people job ready, and it's also to enrich them with knowledge about construction and various other kinds of things. So we have people in these classes that want to take the classes for personal enrichment. Maybe they're landlords and they want to know a little bit about what's going on with their property. And then we have other people that want to become employees in the construction industry and also want to become maybe future contractors and employers. These classes are modeled so that they will be able to be transferred into a credit course. For example, we have an associate's in building maintenance, and many of these courses that we have will transfer over into that, and you'll get credit for college credit for taking the class.